Okay, go.
Do your move, Jakey, do your move.
I don't know if you can do it on the floor. I don't know if you could do it on carpet. And there's not enough room. Trying. Jacob! Hey, wait, stand up. I have to ask you a question. What did you say about Journey to the Center of the Earth, the movie?
It's what? It's freaking awesome. I mean it.
It's what again?
Rockin' awesome.
No, come here, Jacob. It's what?
It's rockin' awesome.
It's rockin' awesome? Is that what you said before?
And I mean it.
Okay. What's your best dance move?
The guitar slide move.
Okay, show me that one.
It's like on a smooth hard floor.
Oh, okay.
To the guitar slide.
Oh, okay.